underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream forever breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Deep, 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 I wanna play. Deep, 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 till I cried up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby. And trying to block out my mountain. I wanna play in your feet, baby, baby. Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream forever breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Till I cried up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby. And you trying to block out my mountain. I want to play in your feet, baby, baby.
Bring up the Chase Business Complete Bank Account.
Yes, please.
I have so many body scrubs. I love body scrubs because I'm going for like a warm, sweet scent. Now, technically I shouldn't be exfoliating every single day, but that's fine. It's just one of my favorite things to do. So next I'm going to shave. I'm using this EOS shave cream, and I get a few pumps of that. I'm doing my underarms as well, hair like that to begin with. And
Did you ever wonder? Yeah, do you ever wonder what he might be going through on his own and the demons that he's facing alone? Did you ever wonder? Yeah, do you ever wonder what he might be going through on his own and the demons that he's facing alone? Ain't the same on the phone, no. But everybody's gotta go on, don't they?
So if you need a hero,
Just look in the mirror. So if you need a healer, just look in the mirror. Gonna save you now, so you better save yourself. And everybody's hurting and everybody's going through it. And walks now, but you just can't keep it down. 'Cause you gotta save yourself. The sun will come out. Nothing good ever comes easy. And I know times are rough, but winners don't quit, so don't you give up. The sun will come out. Though we've been struggling endlessly, someday we'll find the love. 'Cause after the storms, when the flowers bloom, I know it's hard. Did you even really try? Maybe you could understand when all you had to do was ask and just open your mind. When everything's passing by, and all you had to do was try. Yeah, all you had to do was try.
Okay, hi friends, happy Sunday. I feel like the air's kind of loud. Please hold. Okay, so I literally have not actually talked to you guys all day. I've just been montaging everything and hopefully, I don't know what to do with my hands, I don't know. Hopefully you guys liked the montage. I did a lot of like cleaning and self-care today to kind of just like reset. I have my face mask on that you guys just saw me use. So I'm about to make a kale Caesar salad and I'm gonna talk to you guys and just kind of fill you in on everything that's been going on. So the other day I caught myself putting like honey, raw honey on my face. So I saw it on TikTok that you can use like honey as a mask. And I know honey's supposed to be like good for acne prone skin and it's supposed to like tighten and hydrate, blase, all this stuff. The TikTok said to not use any moisturizer or anything after. Do like the mask for 20 minutes before you go to bed, rinse it off and go to sleep. And when I woke up in the morning, I was like, okay, my skin is feeling like less oily. There might be some potential there. Yeah, everything was cool the very next day. And then the next day after that, I could tell when I went to sleep the next night that my like right here, like my Cupid's bow area, it felt like a little irritated and it was feeling like super dry. So I just put some chapstick on and I just went to bed. So the next morning I got up, I went to the gym. I didn't really look at myself in the mirror like that. Like I did go to the bathroom and brush my teeth and stuff, but I didn't like look at my face. I don't know. But then, okay y'all, I'm drying this chicken off a little bit because it's buffalo chicken from our meal prep and I'm about to use it for my kale salad. I don't want it to have like all this sauce on it because it makes the salad kind of like wet. So anyway, I go to the gym and after I get out the sauna, I always go look at myself after the sauna. I look and I have this huge rash all over my face. I still have the rash all over my face. It's like a little bit better now. It's still there. I'm using this milky mask from Pixie and it has like chamomile, oatmeal, I think coconut milk, a bunch of hydrating, soothing things. So I'm thinking that this should be okay because I'm not using any face soap right now. So y'all pray for me because this rash is literally like driving me crazy. I only put makeup on once this week and it's just like sitting on top and I hate that so much. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing to my face right now. Yeah, I'm just like hoping that it goes away sooner rather than later because I've been wanting to like take pictures and create content and stuff and I've been feeling real insecure. So I've just been kind of like in hiding basically. Okay, hey y'all, so obviously things are looking a little bit different now. My camera needed to charge, but I just wanted to come on here and wrap up this Sunday reset video. And I really enjoy doing these because I think they're super fun to watch. They're one of my favorite videos to watch and I really like filming them as well. And you know, this is supposed to be a little bit of inspiration and motivation so that you can get things done. But on top of that, something that I really do want to touch on is Sunday resets are something that should take place for you mentally every single week as well. You know, sometimes on Sunday, instead of doing all the cleaning and organizing, which is still good, sometimes you might just literally need to rest all day because you need a mental break to prepare for Monday, and that's okay. If your Sunday doesn't look like my Sunday, that's okay, because all of my Sundays don't happen to look like this. And I just want to remind you guys, whatever it is that you're going through, to stay encouraged, to continue to bet on yourself, to continue to show up as your best self, and just remember that everything is happening for you and not to you. So yeah, just show up, be kind to yourself most importantly, and be kind to other people. You never know how that positive attitude can potentially change someone's outlook or view on things, and how it can encourage them to take the next step too. So anyway, I love you guys. Thank you so much for all of your support, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Mwah.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my way.